Hello everyone. In this Power Automate session, we will discuss about custom AI model which is available in the AI Builder. Later, we can use this model in our Power Automate or Power Apps. So we will discuss some of the models like prediction model and document processing model, category classification model, and etc. So let's begin with what is custom AI model. As we have already discussed, so here we will discuss little here we will elaborate little bit what is custom AI model and how we can create custom AI model available in the AI builder. Also, we will see how we can train our custom AI model and publish the AI model so we can use in our Power Automate flow. So in a custom AI model in Power Automate is used to train and publish using Microsoft AI Builder, particularly within the framework of flows. These models serve as intelligent components embedded in your workflows, automating the task and providing prediction tailored to your specific data and needs. So available custom AI models are prediction AI model, category classification AI model, form processing AI model, entity extraction AI model, object detection AI model. So now let's first discuss about the first custom AI model, that is prediction AI model. So what is prediction AI model? AI builder prediction model examines the historical data patterns that you supply. By learning between these patterns and outcomes, the model uses the capabilities of AI to identify these learned patterns in new data. Also, they utilize this knowledge to forecast future outcomes. By using the prediction model, we, we investigate the business queries that can be addressed in one of the following manners. Choose between two options, that is binary, either it is 0 or 1, true or false. Considering multiple potential outcomes, providing numerical answer. So now let's discuss all this process one by one. First one is binary prediction AI model. This model involves the question with only two possible answers. For instance, yes or no, as I told you, true or false, on time or late, go, no go, and similar options. So here you can see some of the questions. Is the applicant eligible for membership? Is the customer a good candidate for a marketing campaign? Will the account likely pay its invoice on time, or is this transaction likely to be fraudulent? So next is the multiple outcome prediction AI model. So this model predicts prediction occurs when the questions can be answered from a list of more than two potential outcomes. Example of such prediction includes, will a shipment arrive early, on time, late, or very late? Which product is a customer likely to be interested in? These are the questions which we can ask while predicting the AI model having multiple outcomes. Next is the numerical prediction model. This involves answering a question with a numerical value. Example of this type of prediction model are, how many days will a shipment take to arrive? What is the expected number of calls for an agent to handle in a day? How many items should we maintain in inventory? And what is the target number of leads for the sales team to convert in a month? So these are the prediction models, and let's see how we can create the prediction model in our AI builder, and later we can use this model in our flow. So for this we need to navigate to the Power Automate. So this is the Power Automate. From here you can go to the AI Hub option in the navigation. So here this is the interface of the AI model, sorry, AI Hub, and you by clicking on AI models you can go to the AI models available in the AI builder. So here you can see some of the custom models, predict model. By clicking on all option, you can see all the models available in the provided by the AI builder. So from here we will use the prediction model of AI builder. So for this we will select the prediction model, that is a custom model, and we will click on create custom model. So it is asking for table and the column to, so we it will select, by selecting the table and column it will train our model based on our historical outcomes, so it can predict the future outcomes. By studying the historical outcomes available in our tables, so it will predict the future outcome. So I will show my Excel table. So this is the sales analysis table in which it contains the columns like serial number, date, holiday, weekday is working day, go for shopping. So we will predict whether the person is going for shopping or not. So for this, so what is the scenario where whether the person is going for shopping or not? If it is holiday and the weekday is 4, then it is a working weekday is 4, means 0 is the Sunday and the 1 is the Monday. Followingly, it is 6 is the Saturday. So 4 is the 4 is the Thursday, and if is working day, then if it is 1 is working day, yes, because it is we have provided 1. So go for shopping is can't be possible because it is a working day, right? Even if it is even if it is not holiday, because 0 defines, here you can see if it is holiday then we will provide yes, if it is not holiday then we will provide no. 1 means yes, 0 means no, and here I have written weekend. You can check here, it is a weekday, okay, column. So if 0 is Sunday, so similarly 1 is the Monday, 2 is the, it is providing the week num, and 6 is the Saturday. Working day, 0 is if it is 0 then no, it is not a working day. 1, it is a yes, it is a working day. So outcome will be go for shopping. 1 is the sure, 2 is the probably, and 3 is not. So here in the first case you can see it is a holiday, no. And if it is a working day, 4, so it is coming as Thursday, so it is a working day, and is working day, yes. So go for shopping, not probably, it is not going for, probably that person is not going for shopping. So similarly all these cases are all the all these, based on these 3 columns we have decided whether the person will go for shopping or not. So now let's use this Excel sheet in our, now let's use this data in our model, so our model get trained and predict our future outcomes. So for this we will go to the, so we will use this AI model use the data source from the Dataverse. So we need to upload this data to our Dataverse. So for this we will go to the Power Apps, and then you can go to the tables. Here you can see the option of upload an Excel file. By clicking on upload an Excel file and select from device, you can upload the Excel file to the dataverse. And later we as I have already uploaded this file to my dataverse. So here is the table I have uploaded. You can see similar table, serial number, war date, go for shopping, holiday is working the weekday. So as I have already uploaded this table to my database, so I can use this table in my model. So select the table from here. You can search it, sales analysis table, and here here the outcome column is go for shopping. Next, so here we will select the data. The Here we will select the data that are related to our historical outcome, which may influence our future outcome or prediction. So if we don't want any column that influence our prediction, so we can remove those columns. So here I will select date, holiday is working day. I will deselect the modified one. I will deselect it all. Then I will select, those are the required column, date, holiday is working day. Then I will select weekday. So these are the four columns which are used in our Excel sheet. So next, click on next. So skip this step. We don't need to filter any columns. So here you can see all the model summary. That is the owner of the model. Model type is the prediction and the data source is Dataverse. And the historical outcome is go for shopping. And the table contains four columns that influences our prediction. And now we will click on train. So it will take a while to train our model. So I will pause. Now you can click on the go to model. Then you can see you will come out of this. Here you can see the status is training. Once the status is convert to trend, so our model is ready to check whether the prediction is coming correctly or not. We can check it. Now it is training. You can see the status. Once it is trained, I will resume the video. Here you can see our model is trained. So status changed to trend. Now we will click on this and we will open our model. So here you can see our model performance, or you can say our performance score of the model is D. If I will click on see details, what is your model grade means the D is likely underfit or overfit. R squared either 10% or over 99%. That means the if I will provide some data, our model will predict whether it is very correctly or very badly. Like it is 10% correct. Chances are is there if I will use this model. Okay. And this so if you can see here most influential data. So is working day column and the weekday column are the most influential data because we have chosen the four column. But here you can see our model used two columns to predict the data. To improve this performance score, I will remove the is working day column because it is the most influential column which is predicting the data based on our historical outcome. So even in future also, if I will provide some data, then it will predict the outcome based on this is working day and weekday. So I will remove is working day column from my model. sorry, we should not publish. We will click on edit model option. So click on next. So from here, we will select the columns. Uh, so I will remove the is working day column, and I will take 3 columns, and I will click on next. Skip this step. So now click on train the model. So it will retrain our model once more time. So go to the details page as our model is loading. So it is showing the last trained performance score. So here you can see it is that your model is training. So training the new version. What we have changed, based on that it will train our model. Once it train, I will resume the video. Now I have resume. Now you can see our model is retrained once, and you can see the performance is come to the B. And if you can see, your model R squared is 79% accuracy is providing and may be ready to use depending on your prediction requirement. So here you can see how the model is performing the our model performance score is 79%. So now we will publish this model so we can use in our flow. For this, we will click on publish button and then click on publish. So our model is being published. Please do not close the window until the process is complete. Now our model is published. Here you can see prediction published. So now we can use this model in our flow. So for this we will go to the my flow option, and from here we will create one new flow, that is, let's say, automated cloud flow. Here you can provide the flow name like sales analysis prediction, and here you can search for it when a new row. Select the Microsoft Dataverse when a new row is added, modified, or deleted. Here I will switch to Classic Designer. Next, as our trigger action is added to the flow page. So from here we will select the change type as added or modified, and we will select the table name. Here you can select the sales analysis table, and the scope is organization. Next, new step. Here we will predict the model whenever a new row or data get modified in our database table. So here we will predict the outcome. So select your prediction model. So this is the prediction model. We will click on this. Here we will provide the date, holiday, is it weekday, search for week. Once we provide the prediction, we will format the outcome, select the number, so prediction, then format as enter custom value 0 hash. In the new step, we will add one switch case. Here we will select the value, that is format number value, and if it is equals to 1, then we will add one compose action to display the message the person is going for shopping. If the case 2, add case 2, if the value is 2, then we will add compose action. So here we will provide the person may go for shopping. Person may go for shopping. If both the cases are not satisfied, so I will add one default case, the person may not go for shopping. That is So for this also I will add compose action. The person go for shopping. So this is the cases. Now we will save this flow and we will see how we can use this prediction model in our flow. So once we save this flow, we will click on paste button, then click on manually, then click on paste button. So here you can see our flow is running. So we will go to the Power Apps and here we will click on edit button. Let's say here we will modify the holiday as here we will modify the each working day as 1 and we will click on enter. Now we will go back to our, so it is a holiday, yes. Is working day, yes. As is working day is not the influential column, so it will take holiday, date and weekday. It is 0 and it is holiday, so the person will go for shopping. So we get result 0 2. Okay, so here we have done one mistake. Here I will remove the hash and now we will rerun the flow, save and test the flow. So now let's go to the Dataverse table and from here we will select it is a holiday, yes. Is a weekday 0, so here I will change the 0 to 6, so it is a Saturday. And from here I will select is working day, no, 0, and I will click on enter. Here we will go to the run history. So I resolve that error. So what is happening is the format number actions, when I provide the prediction, so it is rounding up to the integer value, whole number, and it is providing the whole number as an string type. So here we need to convert the string type to integer type, so we can so that the string integer value will be equal to the integer value and the case will be satisfied. So for that only we are getting the error. Now if I will save this flow and we will test again, click on manually, then click on test button. Here we will go to the Power Apps and here I will click on, is it holiday, is it working day, 0. Here I will select 6 0 and I will click on enter. Here if we will go back to our flow, it is running. So here you can see our flow runs successfully. Now if I will go to the Power Apps, holiday, it is yes. Is working day, no. And it is weekday, yes. Because it is weekend, 0 is equal to Sunday, so it is an weekend and it is also a holiday, so people will go for shopping. So now if I will go to the run history and I will click on switch action, here you can see is 1 satisfied. As 1 suggests the person is going for shopping. So this is how we can use the prediction model. That's all for today. We will see you on next video with another custom AI model. That's all for today. Thank you so much.